Well, and I think that's a key point, because negotiation is one of those skill sets that crosses across all boundaries. I mean, we do negotiate with vendors constantly. We negotiate with customers. We negotiate with our own employees, but we also negotiate in a lot of personal settings as well. And this is one of those skill sets that is really learned. It's not one that we all have naturally. And we're going to be talking today about some aspects of the negotiation process that are not at all intuitive. And so I think this will be a really good framework to take wherever you are and notch it up to another level from a skill set point of view. So that's what our objective is in these 4-hour settings. In that context, though, when we're capturing value, we also have to be very careful about not hurting a relationship, but rather building upon that relationship. So there's tension that exists in any kind of a negotiation process, and that's one thing that a master negotiator learns, is how to master the aspect of tension that naturally occurs in any kind of a negotiation system.
You have a preference? I'll sell.
Okay.
That's my weak part.
He gets to sell and you get to buy. All right, the way we're going to do this is I'm going to give you 8 minutes to prepare. Now, there is information on your sheets that's available to both parties. That's at the top of the page. The information at the bottom of the page is only available to you, not available to the other party. All right, so that'll give you the framework of what your parameters are. Yeah, so you may not want to put your things down. You might want to hold them a little bit close to the vest. So we're going to take 8 minutes for the preparation phase so that you can kind of design what your strategy is. And in a 12-minute time frame, we're looking to see if you can conclude a deal to purchase the Air Cortez charter plane. All right, any questions? Pair up and go.
All the mileage back.
If we
And
made
so
it,
you're
like
pretty good on
350's a crazy man that needs money
I
right
almost
now.
did 295 because he needs selling price.
Okay, so we have a deal here. First of all, let me ask this question. In all 4 of the negotiations that just occurred, how do you guys feel about the deal that happened?
Good deal.
It was a good deal? All right? Good
Yeah,
deal?
I'm extremely happy.
Extremely happy! So you feel really good about, what the deal
I'm about to make
was.
some money.
Okay. How about your team? Feels like it was a win-win, a good outcome for both parties, and you too?
Good, yeah.
Okay, so would it be fair that everybody felt good? Was there a little feeling of relief that we got the deal done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and basically we just went through the process that everybody was pretty well satisfied with the deal. So we feel good, relieved, and satisfied. Interesting, okay. That's all win-win. Absolutely good thing. So let's do some comparison here.